Hello and welcome to Excel functions and formulas. In previous lecture, we have seen the overall view of the Excel functions. What are the various Excel functions which has been there. In this session, we'll be seeing by working the functions in the application software called Excel. Let us get into the Excel software. Now first, there are three ways of accessing your functions in the Excel, or we can say triggering the function in the Excel. First part is that you have the tabs over here: file, home, insert, page, layout, formulas, data, review, or view, help. And this you have the formulas tab. When you click the formulas tab, you find a separate function library is there. So in this function library itself, you can find the functions. You have the financial functions. The same way you have the logical functions, you have the text functions, you have the date and time functions, you have lookup and reference functions, then you have mathematical and trigonometric functions and more functions as per the requirement of the operations that we have to perform in the Excel. Second step is that you have a symbol called fx. So this is one of the second step that you can use the Excel functions can be triggered out. So if I click fx, you can normally find an insert function dialog box crops up and you can work the Excel function directly into that. Third part is that you can directly type the formula as I said, type equal to, and you can type any formula. Say we have seen if function, so I type if function and I press tab, automatically it will show you the argument dialog box. The argument part will come. So this is your argument 1, argument 2 and argument 3. So when I say about the argument is nothing but the function will work on the value, whatever the value that we give. The function, if function is going to work on the particular value and it will generate the result. So these are the arguments that we have. Let us work with one very simple example called sum function. Suppose we have some random values, say 23, 45, 76, 89, 76, 44, 33. So these are the random values I take. Suppose I need these values to be added. So what I'll just follow the 3 steps. First step is that from the home tab, right, come to the formulas tab. In the formulas tab, as we have to add the values, come to the mathematical functions. In this you can select a function called sum. When you click sum, automatically a dialog box of function argument will open. Automatically it will select the rows, right, from C2 to C8. From C2 to C8 automatically it will select and it will just automatically give you the result, the additional results. So when you click OK, the value will come up 386. So this is one part. Second part is that you can insert function, right? When you second part is insert the function. Then within this insert function dialog box, you can select the sum function. I type sum over here, SUM, and go. So a sum function will crop up. Just give OK. Then automatically it will select the rows from C2 to C8. Then you press OK, the value will come. Suppose you don't know how to do that. Third step is that you just type equal to and you remember the function called sum, then equal to. Then what you have to do that, you have to go to the above arrow, right, shift and down arrow and select the entire cells. Then you press enter, the value will come up. So this is the typical part of your Excel function.